2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. Take home the car of your dreams today.